In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you this Pi network and why it is a scam for me. And first of all, before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so for those haters out there, those people who are saying to me that this is legit, I mean, I don't care. I'm just going to reveal the truth behind this Pi network, and of course, why you should not play or even download it into your app store, even though it is free. Okay, so first one is Pi network has no open source code. So what does it mean by that? Okay, this is not in a blockchain technology. So it is not inside blockchain technology. So it's very nonsense to push that it is a cryptocurrency or something. Also, the Ponzi, the marketing that they have here is more like a Ponzi. Okay, so they, if you're going to look into their platform, if you're going to look at the referral program, it clearly looks like a Ponzi. So if you're going to look, it's just very obvious that it is a Ponzi, because there's more like a style of marketing wherein you need to invite these people for you to be able to mine more Pi, and of course those people who will invite those the other people in via their link will also get more Pi. Okay, so the first thing here is that um, there is no clear tokenomics onto this what do you call that, into this website, into this crypto platform. Okay, so why it is very important to have a clear tokenomics, so that you will know how many tokens are into the circulation, and what is like the allocation of it. But it looks like right now all of the tokens are more like mineable. Okay, so they are copying like Bitcoin, because the more Pi that is being mined, the lower mining rate that you will get, okay, over time. So the bad thing here is that it doesn't have any value at all. Okay, so also the number three is this one is centralized. Okay, so they're saying that it is decentralized, but there's really no stuff that is proving that it is decentralized. Okay, so um, this one right here, this is still like for around 2019. And if you're going to ask me, guys, this this white paper is very outdated, and I think this project is also very slow to progress, assuming that they have more than million people that are mining Pi. So what's happening here? Okay, so the fourth part here is that it is also collecting personal data. So there is an article that has been released this 2021 that the mobile users of Pi network is linked into a massive data leak, and also there's even more into it, as the buyers, the sellers, okay, have maybe like scam or hack the computers or anything. And if you're going to look here, they are demanding for 9,000 for the data, and demands to be paid in Bitcoin or Litecoin. Okay, so that is why it's very important to be careful on this kind of platforms, because when this personal data has been collected, okay, you cannot take it back. Okay, they can use your email, your name, your phone number anytime, any time of the day. And that's pretty much risky, because there's a lot of scams going on online, especially we are now living into a crypto bull run, and also more of like an NFT. So cryptocurrency is a lot more popular right now. So the also issue that I have here is that they have a mobile app. Okay, that's given, but the thing here is that they are running advertisements into your mobile app. So you see here, keep your money Pi is free. All you need is invitation from an existing trusted member on the network. If you have an invitation, you can download the mobile app below. So like when you are mining Pi, okay, this is the catch here. You are getting an ads maybe from Shopee or Lazada or whatever countries that you are in. And the thing here is that you are getting it without your permission, or it's like you are the product of, like, of the network, okay? You are the main product of it. So Pi network is not the product, you are the product of it, because they are making money from you by viewing this kind of ads. And looking at the progress of this project, I just really see that it is not even worth it to click it once a day, just like hoping that you will get some money here, because I think this project will not go anywhere. Okay, so the speculative price projection is one of the things that I want to talk about too. It is because the price projection of this Pi network is just ridiculous. Okay, so if we're going to look forward here, this is, I'm just using my own I'm just using my own Facebook. So if you're going to look here, there's even a projection that it will go up to 100 I don't know 100 USD. So you are seeing this kind of stuff. So this is just a crazy, this kind of people that are hyping this platform. And also you just can't rely onto this part. Okay, so this has been popular last few what do you call that, last few weeks ago, because there's a lot of people that are hoping to make money in cryptocurrency, but they want it for free. So they are using Pi network, they are sharing this kind of links, and it's just ridiculous because in cryptocurrency you do not know the value of the said token until it has been released into the market, until it is traded into the exchanges. So that will determine the price of it. Okay, so this is pretty much a fake stuff, and you don't actually want to do it. The other thing that I want to tackle here is that if you're going to look at their platform, okay, this is just a legit stuff that I'm going to show it to you. So let me just go on into the team real quick, so you can see that they are I'm not like bashing them or something, okay? But they are flexing their Stanford PhDs here, and they're saying that they are the instructor of Stanford's first decentralized applications class, blah 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 blah. And also the other one is Dr. Chen Diao Fan, which is the head of product, Stanford PhD in computational anthropology, harnessing social computing to unlock human potential on a global scale. And you can read more. So the only thing that I found it ridiculous is that they are flexing it. They're using their degrees so that these kind of people will trust them. And also like if you are a new person into a Pi network and you're looking for some pretty much new applications that you could probably make money, and you're seeing that this kind of founders, this kind of team are PhDs and from Stanford, so that's more like a privileged university in USA, then of course you won't even doubt that this project will even prosper. But just telling you guys, this has been around for a really long time now, and it's not even like doing anything. It's just this kind of new people that are just sharing it, that they are want to spread that fake news that one Pi is $100. So you actually want to avoid it. So as of now, one Pi is still worth zero. Okay, as in 0.00000. It doesn't even have any worth at all right now, unless they are going to release it into the centralized exchange. But the first thing that I want to know here is that what will happen here, because you do not know how many tokens are actually circulating into the platform, and I think it will just keep on reducing and reducing while more people are mining into this platform. Of course, they are making money from you while you are clicking it every single day, because you will be getting an advertisement, and of course those advertisers will pay them money. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.